Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is very important for you if you want to improve your daily English speaking. In this video, you will learn 50 most common daily use English words, their simple meanings, and how to understand them easily in real life. Let's start without wasting time. Word 1. Important meaning. Something that matters a lot. Example. This meeting is very important for me. Word 2. Different. Meaning, not the same. Example. My opinion is different from yours. Word 3. Possible meaning. Something that can happen. Example. Is it possible to finish today? Word 4. Problem. Meaning. A difficulty or trouble. Example. I have a small problem. Word 5. Solution. Meaning, an answer to a problem. Example. We need a quick solution. Word 6. Actually. Meaning, in reality or in fact. Example. Actually, I don't like coffee. Word 7. Probably meaning. Most likely. Example. He will probably come late. Word 8. Simple meaning. Easy, not difficult. Example. It's a very simple task. Word 9. Busy meaning. Having a lot to do. Example. I am busy right now. Word 10. Free. Meaning not busy or without cost. Example. Are you free this evening? Word 11. Agree. Meaning to have the same opinion. Example. I agree with you. Word 12. Explain meaning. To make something clear. Example. Please explain this again. Word 13. Understand meaning. To know the meaning of something. Example. I understand your point. Word 14. Trust. Meaning. To believe someone. Example. I trust my best friend. Word 15. Improve meaning. To make something better. Example. I want to improve my English. Word 16. Opportunity. Meaning, a good chance. Example. This job is a great opportunity. Word 17. Experience. Meaning, knowledge gained over time. Example. He has good work experience. Word 18. Comfortable meaning, feeling relaxed and easy. Example. I feel comfortable speaking now. Word 19. Confident meaning, believing in yourself. Example. Speak English confidently. Word 20. Decision. Meaning, a choice you make. Example. I made a final decision. Tip for viewers. Try to use these words in daily conversations, even simple sentences. Word 21. Reason. Meaning, the cause of something. Example. What is the reason for your delay? Word 22. Result meaning. The outcome or final effect. Example. Hard work gives good results. Word 23. Mistake. Meaning, something done wrong. Example, everyone makes mistakes. Word 24. Correct meaning, right or accurate. Example, your answer is correct. Word 25. Enough meaning, as much as needed. Example, this is enough for today. Word 26. Need meaning, to require something. Example, I need your help. Word 27. Try meaning, to make an effort. Example, try again, don't give up. Word 28. Fail, meaning not succeed. Example, don't fear to fail. To word 29. Success, meaning achieving your goal. Example, success comes with patience. Word 30. Change, meaning to make something different. Example, change your habits. Word 31. Plan, meaning a way to do something. Example, make a clear plan. Word 32. Focus, meaning full attention on something. Example, focus on your goal. Word 33. Improve meaning, to become better. Example, practice daily to improve. Word 34. Habit, meaning something you do regularly. Example, reading is a good habit. Word 35. Support, meaning help or encouragement. Example, family support is important. Word 36. Believe, meaning to feel something is true. Example, believe in yourself. Word 37. Fear, meaning feeling scared. Example, don't let fear stop you. Word 38. Strong, meaning having power or strength. Example, stay mentally strong. Word 39. Weak meaning, not strong. Example, don't think you are weak. Word 40. Patient, meaning able to wait calmly. Example, be patient, results take time. Quick speaking tip. Don't try to memorize all words at once. Use 5 words every day in sentences. I'm ready to continue with the last 10 powerful daily use words. Word 41. Effort, meaning hard work or attempt. Example, your effort will pay off. Word 42. Goal, meaning something you want to achieve. Example, my goal is to speak English fluently. Word 43. Manage meaning to handle or control something. Example, I can manage my time well. Word 44. Respect, meaning to value someone. Example, respect everyone. Word 45. Control, meaning power to direct something. Example, control your emotions. Word 46. Motivate meaning to encourage someone. Example, this video will motivate you. Word 47. Responsible meaning having duty or obligation. Example, be responsible for your actions. Word 48. Calm, meaning relaxed and peaceful. Example, stay calm in every situation. Word 49. Ready meaning prepared for something. Example, I am ready to start. Word 50. Improve meaning to make progress and grow better. Example, speak daily to improve your English. So friends, these were 50 important daily use English words that you can use in real-life conversations. Practice tip. Choose 5 words every day. Make simple sentences. Speak loudly and confidently. How to use these 50 words in daily life. Speaking practice. Now listen carefully. Learning words is not enough. You must use them while speaking. Let me show you how to practice. Practice method 1. Daily sentence. Practice. Every day, choose 5 words from this list. Make one simple sentence for each word. For example, I want to improve my English. This is a very important decision. Believe in hard work. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Stay calm in difficult situations. Speak these sentences out loud. Practice. Method 2. Mirror. Speaking. Stand in front of a mirror. Look at yourself and speak. Say, I am confident. I can manage my time. I am ready to improve. This will remove fear and build confidence. Practice method. 3. Daily conversation. Use. Try to use at least 3 English words daily in real conversations. For example, at home, at work, with friends. Even while thinking. Thinking in English is also practice. Common mistake. Students make many learners think, I will speak when my English is perfect. This is wrong. You will become perfect by speaking, not by waiting. Mistakes are part of learning. Motivation for viewers. Remember one thing, you don't need big vocabulary, perfect grammar. You only need daily practice, confidence, consistency. Even 10 minutes a day can change your English. Engagement lines for YouTube. Comment below. Which word was most useful for you? Are you a beginner or intermediate learner? Share this video with friends, family, anyone learning English. Real-life conversation examples using daily words. Now let's use these words in real conversations. Conversation 1. At work, person. This task is very important. Can you manage it today? Person B. Yes, I can manage it. I just need some support. Person A. No problem. Stay focused and don't worry about mistakes. Conversation 2. With a friend. Why do you look so busy today? You. I have an important decision to make. Friend. Don't be afraid. Trust yourself. You. You're right. I need to stay calm. Conversation. 3. Self-talk, very powerful. Say this every morning. I believe in myself. I am ready to improve. I will not fear failure. I will reach my goal. This habit changes mindset. Daily 10-minute English routine. If you are busy, do this. 2 minutes. Read 5 words, 3 minutes. Make sentences, 3 minutes. Speak loudly, 2 minutes. Repeat confidently. That's it. No pressure, no stress. Message for beginners. If you are a beginner, remember, slow English is okay. Wrong English is okay. Broken English is okay. But silence is not okay. Speak, improve, repeat. Strong closing motivation. Your English does not improve in one day, but if you quit, it will never improve. Small steps every day create big change in life. Call to action, YouTube. If you want. Part 2 with 50 more daily words. Daily spoken English practice videos, confidence building lessons. So friends, today you learned 50 important daily use English words along with simple meanings, examples, and easy speaking practice. Remember one thing. English is not about perfection. English is about practice and confidence. If you practice a little every day, your English will improve automatically. Final advice: don't be afraid of mistakes. Speak daily, even for 10 minutes. Believe in yourself. Keep learning. Keep speaking. See you in the next video. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.